day 8 and fly the DJI NEO drone. So this one's in Staffordshire, and we just stopped at the side of the road and sort of like look it up. And nice clear day, wasn't windy. It was miles. And here was just leaving Hartington and saw this old disused quarry. I'll just take it over there quickly. There's the thought cloud dug down. Please drop me a comment and obviously a like, and of course please subscribe. That completes day 8. So please drop us a comment, like, and obviously subscribe. Thanks for watching.